Okay, so this is our balcony room. We put the card in the little holder for all your lighting. And here is our room. As you walk in, you've got a mirror here on the left. There we go. And then we have the bed in here. I haven't looked in here yet. Is decent wardrobe space. Plenty of hangers, that's good. And then plenty of room. You've got an extra hanging space down there, so you can put actually 2 lots, which is handy for us. That's that one in there. Just as you walk in on the right, you have the bathroom. So let's open up in here. And we have a shower cubicle. So that's nice, no curtain. You've got your shower cubicle there. Toilet, wash basin, all nice and new. Very exciting. We've got the TV, which is just off centre of the bed.
Yeah, it is.
And then what have we got here? Let's have a look. We have got information about the shops on board and all the things that you can spend your money on. Gucci necklaces, watches, Tiffany things. And then we have this here, which is the breakfast menu. So breakfast menu, and which you can order for your room, and then your main room service menu. So we'll definitely try out room service while we're on our cruise. And then we've got our little door hanger that we can put on, which will indicate what we want and what we choose. As you can see, everything is in Chinese and English for guests. We're on the inaugural cruise, so there's a mixture of nationalities, but as we go further east, and when the ship gets to Asia, then the guests will predominantly be Chinese, we're guessing. On the bedside table you've got a phone, and you've got lights, hold on, which I think you can turn on and off. And then you've got your second cupboard space here, which has got a small wardrobe, and then you've got shelves for extra storage. So there's a decent amount of storage in here. You've got your safe, and then at the very bottom you've got some drawers. For anything that you want to put in there that you don't need hanging up. And then we come to a little settee area, which is quite nice. You can sit there in the mornings looking out on the balcony. Over here we've got a little desk which has more information. We've got the Voom package, which, as you can see, Craig is just trying to set up there. We have the cruise compass, which has information about what's going on today. Cheers to our maiden voyage, it says. So all the information, we'll have another look through there. And they've given us a couple of little gifts. So we have a cup. One second. We have a cup which says Spectrum of the Seas, inaugural season 2019. And then we have a same little card holder there as well. Those are a couple of things that have been left in our stateroom. And we've also got our tickets of things that we've pre-booked, and we've booked one of the short excursions through Royal Caribbean, so that'll be there. Just so that you can see the plug sockets we've got here. Craig, you might have to help me with what some of these are.
That's your normal plug.
American plugs. Then you've got two USB points, which are quite handy.
And that's European.
And that's a European plug.
Wow.
So two American, two USB, and a European on the desk section. I'm sure we'll find some others. And there is a nice mirror there if you want to get ready, do your makeup or whatever. There is a kettle, which is quite nice if you want to have a drink in the morning before you get up properly. And because we've got the deluxe beverage package, we also have the Coca-Cola glasses as well, so souvenir glasses that we can use. And finally the balcony, a good size. It was plenty of room for us to sit outside, 2 footstools and a table. We really enjoyed our time in this cabin. It was plenty of room for 2 of us. The settee actually folds out into an extra bed if you needed it, and we would not hesitate to choose this room again. Thank you for watching, and if you'd like to see more of Spectrum of the Seas and other ships we've been on, hit subscribe now.